In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a Webflow site. Whether you're new to Webflow or have been navigating its features for some time, unarchiving a site is a handy skill to have in your toolbox. Let's dive in and make sure you get your site back up and running smoothly. First, let's talk about why you might find yourself in this situation. On Webflow, there isn't an option to simply turn off or delete a website once it's been archived. Archiving is typically the go-to method when you want to make a site inactive without permanently removing it. However, it's not uncommon to archive the wrong site by accident, so knowing how to unarchive can be a real lifesaver. Now, the process to unarchive a site depends largely on the role you have within your Webflow workspace. If you're the workspace owner, an admin, or a site manager, you have the necessary permissions to request that an archived site be brought back to life. The process begins with filling out the Unarchive Site Request form located on Webflow's support page. It's a straightforward form asking for details like your site's name and your account information to ensure everything is in order. The support team then handles the rest, typically responding within a short time frame. However, if you happen to hold a different role, such as a workspace member or reviewer, you won't be able to make this request directly. Instead, you'll need to reach out to someone with the appropriate access, typically the workspace owner, an admin, or a site manager, and ask them to submit the unarchive request on your behalf. It might be helpful to check your role within the workspace if you're unsure about what permissions you have. You can do this by heading to the Site Settings section and clicking on Site Access, where your role will be clearly displayed. To sum up, the key to successfully unarchiving a Webflow site is knowing your role and using the proper channels to make the request. Whether you can do it yourself or need to enlist the help of someone else, this process ensures that archived sites are unarchived smoothly and efficiently, placing your content back where it belongs and allowing you to continue working without missing a beat. I hope this guide has been helpful, making the steps clearer and easier to follow. By understanding and mastering this process, you'll never need to worry about mistakenly archiving the wrong site again. Thank you for watching, and happy web flowing.